point of solving murders if we're all going to die soon anyway? This is the question Ben Winters constantly asks throughout his novel, The Last Policeman. Hank Pallas, the homicide detective in Concord, New Hampshire, asks this question every day as it is his job to solve all of the murders going on in the town. The impending impact of asteroid 2011 GV1, unaffectionately known as Maya, has given life on Earth only 6 more months. It has turned Concord, New Hampshire into Hangartown, which is a reference to the suicide preference of locals. Rookie detective Hank Pallas is determined to stay on top of his caseload, even though many of his old colleagues seem to have cashed in and are bucket listing from now on. Enter, or rather exit, Peter Zell, whose death is Pallas's latest case. Any other cop would have let this apparent suicide go. The most interesting part of this novel is that absolutely no crimes really go reported anymore, because what's the purpose if everyone's going to go to jail for the exact same amount of time, which is 6 months, before everyone dies anyway. The imminent end of the world doesn't mean that everyone has shown their hands, just that there is a lot more at stake if they lose. It is divided into 4 parts: Hangartown, non-negligible properties, wishful thinking, and soon they will, which each have 5 chapters as well as an epilogue. Each part has an introductory graphic giving the date and the asteroid's right ascension, declination, elongation, and delta, or distance from the Earth, in astronomical units. The first part is dated March 20th, and the last is April 11th. While the main story of this novel is the investigation of Peter Zell's murder, there are also many side stories which are connected to the main story in some way or the other. Each is focused around Detective Pallas's life. The first story is the one of his sister Nico and her missing husband Derek. Pallas's job is to help his sister find her husband before something bad happens to him. At the end of the novel, it is unknown whether Derek is dead or alive. However, readers have suspected that he is dead because he knows things about the asteroid which the government didn't want leaked. Also, other side stories which have to do with the information that Pallas received about Zell's drug abuse. It is found out later on in the book that Zell is addicted to morphine, and that his friend JT Toussaint, as well as his co-worker Naomi Edis, help him with his drug addiction. What would you do if there were only 6 months left on Earth? Would you react like most people and kill yourself? Would you follow your dreams? Or would you continue to do your moral obligations to the world as if the world is not ending soon?